Hey guys, it's Rylan Lindley here with MarineMax in Louisville, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2018 Sea Ray 250 SDX. So this is a new layout for Sea Ray as 2018 arrived, and so I'm going to kind of walk you through today. So right here on the back you will see a submersible swim platform that'll drop down and submerge about 6 inches into the water, so a really cool place to swim up to hang out on, and even just to get in and out of the boat. You will also have a telescopic ladder to do just the same, but what a cool spot just to hang out while y'all are swimming on the back of the boat. Right here on the back you'll notice a very large sun pad. You do have the Versa Lounge seating, so you come right here to your backrest and that'll lift up and over and create a huge spot for you to come and lay out just as y'all are swimming, anchored in a cove or whatever it may be. You'll notice on both sides right here you do have 12 volt access and USB access. So you can charge your phone right here, stream your music, or you can also blow up your tube right here on the back of the boat. Just makes it really easy for everybody. You will have the ability to open up this seat right here, and that proves a lot of storage. So if you want to fit some boards down there, a deflated tube, some life jackets, fenders, whatever it may be, super easy access. So you'll notice you have your 2 speakers right here on the back of the boat. You will have a Transom stereo remote right here. So you can change your volume, change the song, the source of the music, whatever it may be, just makes it pretty easy. And then not only that, just to add on to it, you will have a spot for a cooler just right here on the back. So ice that down, and then you have your drinks, your music, and your entertainment zone. So coming in right here on the Transom walkthrough, we're not stepping on any seats, not stepping over the motor. And then we do have a really quick, easy spot for your battery switch. Just makes it very ergonomic for the user. All right, so coming into the cockpit, you'll notice that you do have the same Versa Lounge chairs on both the port and the starboard side. So both of these guys will flip back and just make that really nice lounge seating for the whole entertainment zone in the cockpit. So coming to the dash, we will have a flip-up bolster seat. And then really clean dash, just a black acrylic backing, and we have the Simrad 7-inch display on this boat. That'll give you a beautiful chart plotter, kind of like Apple Maps for the lake. It shows you all the contour depth lines. It'll have a navigation screen, which is basically the same thing as the maps, but it's like a drone following you from 100 feet back and 100 feet up. And then just your standard fish finder as well. We will have active trim on this boat in particular. That'll do all of your automatic trim and tilt for you. So you no longer have to worry about that on your actual shifter and throttle. So it makes it very super user-friendly. So coming into the bow, and this is really what makes this boat the 250 SDX, is this portside walkthrough. So what this gives you is a really huge compartment right here in the center. And so you do have a pump out porta potty. And then not only that, but you have the ability to take the snap out right here, drop this seat down, and then that makes it a huge little pad for you to come and hang out on. Storage is also a very big use in that compartment. And then what's cool is you come through your port side, and everybody likes to sit in the bow when the boat's moving, so now you have a spot for 3 to 4 people to come up here, to sit down on, prop their feet up, and then you're just kind of sitting facing forward going down the lake. You need to grab a drink, you already have a cooler right here in the front, so you and your buddies just come sit up here, and it's an awesome time. This boat will also come with filler cushions that actually fill in this whole spot right here, and then that just makes it a fully enclosed sun pad. So really cool idea from Sea Ray, guys. So like I said, my name is Rylan Lindley. Thank you so much for watching my video about this 2018 Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you'd like to look at the boat a little more in person, please come and stop by our showroom. You may call us on our phone or visit us on our website. That should all be listed below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.